Hello and welcome back to another video in chapter 6. Now in this video we're talking about controlling cell alignment, padding and borders with CSS. So in order to make the content inside our table more readable, that's what we're going to do. We're going to be using cascading style sheet rules to improve the readability of our text by manipulating cell alignment, padding and borders. So let me show you how we do that. We're still going to concentrate on table 1, that's this one up here, and not only can you select the table down in the bottom corner here, so if I just click inside, we can also do it at the top here. So you can see that I've got my little grid there. I can click and that will select the table. Again, I could have gone down to tab, or I could have done control tick, or I could have gone modify table. So there's lots and lots of different ways of being able to do that. Now, if we look down in the property inspector for the table, we need to change these values here. So cell padding, the default will always be blank, but that doesn't mean there's any measurement. So in order to say we don't want any cell padding or cell space, we actually have to put a 0 in. So 0, 0. And we're going to even take off the border as well. So we're going to put a 0 in for that. And we're going to be left with that. So the next thing is we're going to be needing to click inside a cell. So I'm just going to go and click in zone, and once I've gone and done that, I'm needing to select the TD. So let's just make sure we've got that in there, and I want to select TD. Once you've gone and done that, then we need to create a new CSS rule, which is obviously going to relate to cells. So in we go to our new CSS rule. It's going to be a compound rule. It's going to be relating to the cells within the row of the style table. We're going to click OK, and from there we're going to do a few things. The first thing is going to be going to block. So in the block we want to go to text align, and we're going to make that centered, and we'll click apply. Then once we've gone and done that, we'll go into a box, and in box they're going to look for padding, and we're going to make sure that it is going to be 5. So we'll just turn that to a 5. We need to make sure that we are going to uncheck it all, and we'll need to make sure that the left is going to be a 2. And click apply. Right, now what we need to do, we need to go down to border. And once we're in border, we'll need to make sure that the style is dashed. So we'll need to go from here, and we're looking for dashed. The width is going to be 1, so we could put thin, but I think we'll simply make it a value of 1. The color is going to be this. It's going to be hash followed by a 9, A, 8, B, D. And that should be a light bluey grey. Once we've gone and finished off that, we then go and select our row. So this is what we've got so far in here. I pressed return, not simply apply, but you can do both. We're then going to go into the row which has zone and Fahrenheit and all of that, and so we can select that row by just going to the side there and doing that. And then in our HTML button, so if you're in CSS, go to HTML. Let's make that bold so we can see that, and then we can do save all. So there you have it. What we've gone and done is we've gone and created rules, a compound rule specifically for these cells in which we've adjusted the borders, the padding and the spacing. So have a go at that and we'll continue to develop the table in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.